Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy. I'm a Virginia traffic attorney. If you have a commercial driver's license or a CDL and you have any kind of a traffic ticket, it is critically important that you talk with a traffic attorney who practices in the court where your case is pending. I don't have to tell you that your job depends upon that CDL remaining intact. And so it's vital that you talk to an attorney to see what possible ramifications you may be facing depending on what happens with your traffic ticket. This is especially important when you're charged with something serious like reckless driving, which is a misdemeanor conviction. I don't know what your employer's policies may be regarding a reckless driving conviction, but I do know that most people who have drivers on staff don't want to have tickets like that on the records for insurance purposes and whatnot. I see all too often people come into court thinking they can maybe plead guilty or plead no contest and ask for driving school and get a break. The problem is when you have a commercial driver's license, the driving school option that may be available for everybody else who's there that morning is not available for you. Virginia law specifies that the judge cannot send a holder of a commercial driver's license to driving school to give them a break on their ticket. Now there are other ways we can try to get a break, such as a negotiation with the officer or the prosecutor if there's one involved in your case. But typically the driving school option is not a possibility in your case. At least that's the way it works in Fredericksburg, Stafford, and Spotsylvania, where I primarily practice. And I've heard from too many people who had happened to them. They went to court, their friends told them, oh, you'll be okay, just go ask for leniency from the judge, you have a good driving record. And I get a call later on when they've been convicted of reckless driving because the judge could not send them to driving school because of the commercial driver's license. The thing that might surprise you is that this rule applies even if you were driving your personal vehicle, and even if you don't even use your CDL. Even if it's from a job you used to have and you no longer use it, you still cannot be sent to driving school under Virginia state law. So it's critically important to talk with an attorney before your case goes to court, because sometimes we can still do some really good stuff and get a good outcome on your case even in spite of the commercial license. But once you've been convicted, you do have the right to appeal within 10 days. However, it can be much harder on appeal to get a good result. So talk to an attorney. It's critically important to talk to somebody before you go to court. Talk to an attorney, not just friends and family who've been in a similar boat, but a good traffic attorney in the court where your case is pending.